Hi Stampers, Jackie Bolhuis. Happy May 1st. Wow, can you believe it's May 1st? That means we only have one more month of the catalog before we get the brand new catalog. So rather than releasing a brand new online class this month, I'm going to re-release 4 of my most popular ones that I've done over the past month. Past year. So what you need to do to get all the details, follow the link that's down in the video description over to the website. I'll show you all the classes you can pick from if you place an order between the 1st and the 10th of May, and you'll get that class for free. So all the details are over there. But today, what I'm going to do is stamp a fun project and share some really, different tips, I guess, with you to maybe get you thinking a little bit when you're creating cards of your own. We're going to be using the Poppy set, but I hope you learned something today. You know, one of my goals in all my videos is to make sure people always learn something, or at least are reminded of something. So let's see if that happens today. Let's flip the camera down and let's get stamping. So like I said, we are going to use the painted poppies. Now, you know, I think quite often the way Stampin' Up sets up their catalog, and they always put products together in beautiful suites. You know, we always feel that we need to buy the whole suite. Well, sometimes I like to kind of back off, I guess, a little bit and show you that you can really create beautiful cards with just the stamp set. And that's what we're going to do today. So I've stamped several of these images. Now I know this one has dies, and for our card today, we're actually going to fussy cut. Now I know some of you love doing that, other ones don't. But the whole idea of fussy cutting is just to really make you realize you don't need to always buy the dies and everything. So to color our flowers today, I am actually mixing my markers. I have the light daffodil and the dark mango. I was just kind of playing around, and I liked the look it gave me because I just really want to do yellow in the center. So I did some of that light, but then when I come back with, and I'm really almost just making little lines rather than scribbling it and blending it, it just kind of made a fun center in there. And then I did come back a little bit with a little more of the light just to get some shades in there. We did the same thing here. So do the light first. This one we're just going to go all the way around that center. And then with this one, it's more lines. And I don't know if you could really see what that looks like or not, but it does just give us kind of a nice yellow on there. Blends, make sure you pop those caps on really good. And then, oh, I think I have my caps on the wrong way on this one. Here is my light. You can tell these caps are wrong. And here is my dark. So for leaves, with most things that I color, I do like to start light. And so I'll fill it in with the light. And then I'm going to come and I'm going to put some dark along one side. And then I can come back, and I like to color in kind of some circles. Okay, you can see how that will just blend those colors and get some different shades in there. Now, because I like to keep my videos short and sweet, I'm not going to color all of these because I'm going to actually kind of jump ahead a little bit here to show you how I put this card together. Now, here is a little secret. You know, in the world of crafting and stamping, we always say it's okay to case, C-A-S-E, copy and share everything. You know, that's why I share so many ideas with you guys. I like it when you copy them. That's why I share them. And I think it makes us all better stampers when we copy other people's ideas. And that's okay. But what I like to do is always try to make my ideas my own by just changing things a little bit. One of my favorite places to case or copy from is our annual catalog. So with this stamp set, I knew I wanted to make a card with it. So I grabbed my catalog, I flipped through, there was quite a few samples in here using the Peaceful Poppies. And the one I settled on was this one right here. Now remember, I wanted to focus on just the stamp set because you don't always have to buy everything. So after I colored my images, I used my scissors to just fussy cut them. And then for my card, I have a piece of Whisper White, and I grabbed Poppy Parade. Now I know this is one of the colors that's part of the suite, but this is not the designer series paper from the suite. It is actually just the Brights designer series paper. So we cut a piece 4¼ by 5½ for the front, and then a piece of daffodil that's 5½ by 1 inch for the side. Because what I'm doing, let's bring this back here, I'm copying the layout of this card. This is where I got the idea for my card. I love the round corners on there, so I did use our corner rounder here. This one, oh, there goes the glue top. Gotta push it down on there. And you can get through all of these layers at one time. Just get it lined up in there good. So there is my round part. Now, so you don't have to watch me cut everything and put it all together, I'm gonna pull in the Magic TV, and here is a different version I made of it. So I just fussy cut that with my scissors. I embossed the Thinking of You with All My Heart on a piece of black. You can see here, this was on a banner. That's part of those elements, but again, I only wanted the stamp set. So I just cut that out into a rectangle, used a bunch of dimensionals and layered that up, and I thought my card turned out pretty cute. Put the inside in it. So what I'm gonna do is the pieces that I colored here or stamped, I'm going to finish coloring them, cut them out, and over on the website I'll have a picture of both versions so you can see the two different color options. But remember, this was kind of a lesson on using the catalog for ideas when you're stamping. This card really was super simple to use. I like how it turned out. But I, use this for my inspiration. So I encourage you to do that as well. Or any of the projects I share with you. Go ahead and copy them or tweak them just a little bit to make them your own. So then you feel like you've, kind of use your own creativity just a little bit as well. So as always, quick and easy video today, guys. It was super short, but I hope you picked up a few tips as far as using ideas that you can see in your catalog to stamp, to inspire you. So hop on over to my website. I will have all the information, how you can get a free online class for me. The Poppy Suite is one of them. There'll be 3 other ones to pick from. Place a $50 order using my online class code by the 10th of May, and you can select one of those for free. So until I stamp with you again, have a stamp happy day.